Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple gold grinder. Place a wheel. Make sure it's facing upwards. Place any block. Equip your scale tool and set it to 100. Scale the block. Place a wheel. Place a block. ADD for blocks. 3 blocks down. Place a portal. Use your screwdriver and turn off collision. Place a switch. Place rod, wood, portal, chair, firework, glue, and hinge. Place it here. Place a glue block inside your body. Hinge facing your body. Delete rod and chair. Turn off anchored mode. If you walk forward, you will go up. Backwards, you want to spam jump to go back. Turn your camera like this and facing this angle. And continue to spam. Make sure you turned on isolation mode. Once you're done, select portal and turn on anchor mode and turn off collision. Delete other parts. Select everything and turn wheel. Torque until green. This is where I messed up. Turn the speed to 10. Click the switch and there you go. If you enjoy, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.